In this video, I will show you how to create one of those viral AI glass cutting videos with the ASMR sound effects and everything. And towards the end of the video, I will also talk to you about the opportunity in this. So whether this is a good business model or a faceless channel idea, and how much time it is going to take and how much it is going to cost if you want to be successful at it. And the tool that I'll be using in this video is called Polo AI, and you will find the best deal in the description of the video. But we've got a lot to cover, so let's get started. So as the first step, sign up to this AI video generator called Polo AI and pick a plan. Then head over to ChatGPT and copy paste this prompt that you can find in the description and the top comment of this video into the chat box, and then hit enter. So this one is going to create you 5 different scenes for your AI glass cutting videos. Then take one of these prompts that ChatGPT just wrote for you and head back to Polo AI. And once you have done that, select the text to video feature on the left hand side. And then from this model, choose the VEO3 model. And now copy paste the ChatGPT written prompt over here. And now make sure that the generate audio slider is turned on. And then pick the number of video outputs here and then click create. And now the AI starts to create the video. And there is your video. But now here's the issue. So Google VEO3 model here takes a lot of credit. So as you can see, if we have this simple prompt and this audio and we are using the VEO3 model, it is going to spend 330 credits. And I think I just bought myself 800 credits for like $25, $27 per month or something like that. So it is very expensive. Now, if you want to cut these costs in half, you can choose this Google VEO3 fast model. And it's only going to do 170 credits. And yes, that is still very expensive per video. So creating a video like this, even with the fast model, costs like over $5, $6, something like that, by quick math. So it's going to be a significant investment right now if you want to do videos like this using this technology. Nonetheless, I think that the VEO3 fast model is just as good as the VEO3 original model. And here you can actually see that I have created another video, and this one's actually even better than the one that I showed you earlier. And now there's one more thing I want to mention before you spend your time or money into this, and it is the fact that these AI clips are always a bit of a dice roll. So you will never be sure of the quality. So if you look at this video, this turned out great, and these results look somewhat natural. And I would say that this one's even better. But look at what happened here with the third clip. So it is trying to cut through the glass, but the glass stays on there. So this looks completely fake and unnatural. So there's no use for a clip like this, despite I just spent $5 creating this. So this is going to be super expensive. So if we estimate that every second or every third creation turns out to be good, I would have to spend $20 to make one of these clips. And now here's the brutally honest truth about this trend and whether you should jump on it or not. So as I showed you, it is very expensive and it is easy for sure, but the problem is that this is so easy and anyone can do that there are already creators and accounts that have established them as the go-to ASMR AI glass cutting video channels. So that is the problem number 1. And also the problem number 2 is that this trend is going to die down very quickly. So we've all seen all these trends that the AI creates. Those only last for a couple of weeks, perhaps a couple of months, and then they are completely gone. And then last but not least, if this were to continue, how on earth would you monetize a channel like this? Because there's absolutely no buying intent. So nobody who's watching a video like this is going to buy anything after watching. So it basically means that you might need hundreds of millions of views before you can make a couple of $100 from the advertisements. And as I showed you, it's going to cost a lot to create a ton of videos and then have a couple of those to go viral. So I would say that this is not like a good opportunity, but it is interesting for sure, and this is how you actually create those videos.